Well, you may have heard, but the annual enrollment for Medicare is going on right now. And if you're looking for a plan or maybe a new plan or changing plans, you want to pay attention to what our next guest has to say. I want you to meet Dawn Maroney. She is the CEO of Alignment Health Plan, and she's here with some details on what they have to offer. And Dawn, as you can imagine, this is can be kind of a confusing time for a lot of seniors out there. So first of all, tell us about Alignment Health. Who are you? What makes you different?
Thank you so much for asking. We are a Medicare Advantage prescription drug plan that is primarily focused on serving seniors 100%, meaning that there's no competing programs or products within our company. It's all 100% seniors that we serve.
Well, I like that. So then you can focus in on just seniors and do what needs to be done just for them. So let's talk about AHP and how you can enroll. I actually went to your website and I saw something kind of interesting. You have a pre-enrollment kit as well as being able to enroll online. So tell me the difference between those two. It looks like you're making it fairly easy for people to do so.
We work on it every single year to make it easier for individual consumers as they're electing their options. Medicare beneficiaries have that choice between 10/15 through 12/7 to make that annual enrollment period election. And so we look at it a number of ways. You know, folks that are aging into Medicare like to choose to enroll online, or they may want to look at paper and have that sitting in front of them, reading their materials. They can enroll through the mail, online. They can have an individual agent that can come to their home, or they can enroll primarily at a meeting. So they have many choices in which they try to get information, as well as choosing to enroll for Alignment Health Plan.
Okay, excellent. Who would you consider, you know, the besides being a senior, a good candidate, somebody who really would benefit from working with Alignment Health Plan?
You know, it's interesting because a lot of people still in today's environment do not know the many choices that they have. And I believe in the area, there are not just Alignment Health Plan, but there are so many great choices to select and choose from. We have programs that are designed for individuals that may not want to be tied to a network of providers. So we have a PPO Medicare Advantage plan that gives them the option to go in and out of a network. They are not locked into a network. We have programs that cater to individuals that have heart disease or diabetes, needing diabetic care. That the customization around that plan is specifically designed for those individuals. And if you need income support because you need special transportation or you need groceries or utilities, we have programs that are designed around them. And it's all included at no additional premium, zero premium for that individual. They do have to pay for their Part B premium still today, and they will continue to have to pay for that Part B premium for Medicare in order to be eligible for this plan.
Okay, excellent. What do you think, do you think that seniors really need to think about for themselves that will kind of help them really make a decision? Some questions that they should be asking themselves.
Phenomenal question. A lot of individuals are complacent, meaning they don't realize that they have this choice to look at their options. I would just ask that they would take a look at Alignment, take a look at other organizations, but do a comparison about their particular benefits and what that comparison may be. They may have higher copays when it comes to prescription coverage. We provide care in the home. So they don't even have to go to a doctor if they're homebound or they don't have a way to get to the doctor. But they have a choice. And if anything comes out of this discussion is that they know that they have a choice as a Medicare consumer. They have a choice to look at all of their options.
Really good information, Dawn. Knowledge is power for sure. Thank you so much for sharing your information on Sonoran Living. I want to give our viewers a bit more information. If you'd like to learn more about Alignment Health Plan, here's a number to call. It's 888-979-2247. You can also visit the website alignmenthealthplan.com.